Okay, how to find and track smart wallets, yeah? Very important episode today, boys, yeah? Just to start things off, tracking wallets isn't about copy trading, yeah? If you track wallets to copy trade, you've lost already, yeah? Because you're just not doing what you need to do, and it's just a waste of time. You're going to lose money, and you might as well just not do it. The reason why we track wallets is to see who's buying. And obviously, if you have good wallets tracked, it basically builds more conviction in players you're already in or players that you think that you want to get in. So now the question is, how do we find these good wallets? How do we find them? So you basically want to go to there are a couple ways, yeah. There are basically wallets you want to track that just have good plays on like final stretch and migration, you know, that only do that, which is very, very good because, you know, you could just, you know, if it's just good in it. Another one is basically another wallets you want to track. These are very hard to find as well. But have you ever just been like chilling or whatever, and then you've seen like a dead coin that's been dead for like, I don't know, 5 days, a month, and then out of nowhere you just see it pretty go parabolic, and it just sends to like half a million. Well, you can actually track wallets that actually buy these type of coins early, and then when you see that wallet buy, then you can, you know, obviously do your research and then buy into that coin as well, and hopefully, you know, it sends. And I'm going to be teaching you how to find both type of wallets, yeah? Okay, so the first kind of wallet that I'm going to show you how to kind of track is basically, you want to see a coin that has done pretty well. Okay, sick 100k, what? Crazy. You want to go to the top traders. Look at this guy. Okay, that is a crazy chart. I'm not really convinced that this is a good trader. He had one good trade, and I'm right. 18k. Well done, bro. Well done. I want to see what that trade was actually. 4 Solana. He turned into 130 Solana. What? Well done. Anyway, you basically just want to scroll through the top traders until you find, you know, a decent wallet. 120k. Consistent wins. This might be a bot though. Decent. Very decent. Okay. Whew. This is a good wallet. This is a good wallet, to be fair. Next, what you want to do is you want to go to active positions. What is he active in? Okay, decent, whatever. History tells us a lot. This is his recent trade, Seed. I think this is the coin that we're in at the moment. He made 215%. Well done. 8%, 7%. And also, you want to look at his losses. If he's getting a lot of like 50%, 60%, you do not want to follow this guy. Well, you kind of, because he might be getting into good stuff. But like, this guy's risk management is really good. Look, 0.1%, 2%, 3%, 2%. 222%, crazy. And also, you want to look at like also the coins that he's buying. Like, have I seen these coins in the migrated tabs or the final stretch? Pretty good. If all of this checks out, you basically click here, you go onto wallet tracker, and then you just track their wallet. Calm, absolutely calm. Actually, let me just show you the whole process of it. So basically, you want to get this wallet, you want to click on the wallet address, you want to go to trackers. These are all my wallets. You want to go to add wallet, paste it, name it good buyer wallet. You might want to give it a different emoji to all of the others. Let's give this guy a unicorn, fuck it. And then that's it. And basically what you want to be doing is you want to be basically building up your wallet list. And then you want the notifications on. You want to show bubble maps, and also you want to show it in your wallet tracker feed. Oh, let me go to this. Also, when you are scanning, you kind of want this on as well. So you want to be scanning through here, whatever. And basically, these are all of your tracked wallets. These are all of their trades that they're doing. So, you know, you'd be like, well, this guy's in Fox. I was going to buy that actually. Anyway, yeah, this guy's in Fox. Wow, let me see why he sold. Okay. Okay, so he bought, oh, he's scalping it. Oh, okay. Well, this give me good data on, you know, whatever. And basically, you want to get to a point where you're building up your wallet tracker list to the point where, you know, if you see a lot of the wallets aping all into one coin, well, they're all good traders because you've done your research on them, and you can have a lot of conviction that they're buying that coin because it's a good coin. So you might as well go and buy that coin as well, do your research, whatever. And now the second strategy, probably my favorite strategy, is looking for wallets that buy dead coins, yeah? Because this is probably the most profitable and probably the least amount of risk, yeah? So let's say there was a runner the other day, yeah? You basically pull it in you basically star it into your favorites, and now it's in your favorites, you know, whatever. Now, you basically, let's go on to, what's a dead coin? Worthless, yeah? Worthless. Kind of dead, to be fair. Absolutely dead, but the narrative is good. And also, the narrative has to be relatively revivable. The narrative has to be good as well. And also, like, let's say the X community's doing all right or whatever. So basically, what you want to do is you want to go to the, basically, open the trades panel, yeah? And basically, you want to look for any relatively big buyers. This guy bought 1 Sol. Why did he buy one Sol? Dead. Absolutely dead wallet. Okay, he bought 1.1 Sol. Okay, now we're talking. What we're kind of doing is just looking for people that are buying the bottom of this coin. And, okay. Decent. Nothing crazy, though. I'm not really impressed. But yeah, we're looking for traders that are buying the bottoms of these coins, because 9 times out of 10, that's probably their strategy of buying bottoms of coins. So we might as well follow them. And also on top of that is they probably know something that we don't know. So what we would do, one second, I just saw a wallet that I like buy a coin that I saw earlier. Prime example, yeah. Basically, I was in this coin yesterday, yeah, and one of my tracked wallets bought this coin. Just now, to be fair, and basically this could absolutely send, I can't lie. Basically what it is basically it's the 3rd most used meme of 2025 or something. I was literally just making this video and I saw one of my wallets buy it, and I was like, oh, okay, he bought it down here. It shot up. All of these buys are buying it, so this could do relatively well. It wasn't completely dead, but it's 14 hours old. You know, it's not on the pulse page or whatever. It's completely, you know, not dead but kind of dead. Anyway, see all these wallets buying. You can basically track these wallets as well. Now, $250,000 history. Relatively good, nothing crazy. But yeah, you can just track these wallets, and yeah, that's how you track wallets that buy dead coins, to be fair. But yeah, that is it for today's video. If you did like this video, please leave a like, comment, and also subscribe. And until next time, it's been your boy. I'm out.